Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today we install 10-inch universal Android screen in Mitsubishi Etrage. How it's look like? Come inside please. So okay guys, this is the 10-inch Android screen. It's compatible for the all universals vehicles like Toyota, Nissan, Suzuki, Swift, even Kia also. And it's a fully Android. It has Play Store inbuilt inside. Navigation is a free navigation inside. Also Google Chrome, Google Play, T-Link, and also Bluetooth, and even a lot of features have inside. And you can use also CarPlay with wire, and many more features. Once you buy, inshallah, you will see the features of quality, and also you can see the quality of this. It's a very soft touch. You see also equalizer have inside, music, radio, CarPlay, and the huge menus also. You can see its touch is a very soft and cool. Thank you so much.